Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something super special, our families. In this video, I'll show you how to write a fun and simple essay in English all about your family. Whether it's about your parents, siblings, grandparents, or even your pets, I'll teach you step by step how to make your essay interesting and easy to write. So grab your pencils and let's get started. Step 1. Structure the essay. Quick and easy guide. All right, just like any other essay, your family essay should have three main parts. 1. Introduction. A short introduction where you say who is in your family. 2. Body. Here you describe your family members, what they do, and what makes them special to you. 3. Conclusion. End your essay by telling how much you love your family or why they're important to you. Simple, right? Let's break it down a little more. Step 2. The introduction. Keep it simple. In the introduction, you just want to tell the reader who is in your family. Don't worry, it's super easy. Here's an example. My name is Alex, and I have a wonderful family. There are 5 people in my family. My mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and me. See how simple that is? You can even include your pets if you have any. This introduction is clear and gives your reader an idea of who you're going to talk about. Step 3. The body. Describe each family member. Now, let's move on to the body of the essay. Here, you'll want to describe your family members. Talk about what they do, what they like, and what makes them special. Don't just list their names. Tell the reader something fun about them. Here's an example. My mom is a teacher, and she loves reading books. She always helps me with my homework. My dad works at a hospital, and he is really good at cooking. Every weekend, he makes us a big breakfast. I have one brother and one sister. My brother Sam is older than me, and he loves playing video games. My little sister Lily loves drawing and always makes funny pictures. We also have a dog named Max, and he is part of the family too. See how I described each person with something fun or interesting? This keeps the essay lively and makes it more personal. Step 4. The conclusion. End with love. To finish the essay, you want to share why your family is special to you. This is a nice way to wrap up the essay and show your feelings. Here's an example. I love my family because we always have fun together. Whether we're playing games, watching movies, or just talking, my family makes me feel happy and loved. I'm so lucky to have them. Ending your essay like this makes it feel complete and full of love. Step 5. Add some fun. Make it personal. Here's one last tip. Add something personal that makes your family unique. Maybe you have a special tradition like pizza night, or maybe you take fun trips together. Adding these details makes your essay more interesting. For example, every Friday night, we have pizza night at home. My dad makes the best pizza and we all watch a movie together. It's my favorite part of the week. By adding little personal details like this, your essay will stand out and be even more fun to read. My wonderful family. My name is Sarah, and I have a wonderful family. There are 4 people in my family: my mom, my dad, my brother, and me. We also have a cute little dog named Bella who is part of our family too. My mom is a doctor. She helps sick people and works very hard, but she always finds time to take care of us. My dad is a teacher. He teaches math, and he loves helping me with my homework. My brother James is 10 years old, and he loves playing soccer. We often play together in the backyard, and he always tries to teach me some tricks. We all love spending time together. On weekends, we like to go to the park or have a movie night at home. My favorite part of the week is Saturday morning, when we all have breakfast together. My dad makes pancakes, and we talk about our plans for the day. I love my family because they make me feel happy and loved. We always support each other, and we have so much fun together. I am so lucky to have such an amazing family. And that's it. Writing about your family in English is easy and fun when you follow these simple steps. Now, it's your turn. Try writing about your family and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun lessons like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.